guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a fortune teller. So you need one sheet of paper, some scissors, and a pen or a pencil or a crayon, whatever you need to draw with. So first, you fold the paper up to the middle at the line. So it looks like this. Then you take your scissors and chop off this big rectangle. Then you should have a triangle piece of paper. Open it up, and you should have a line down through it. Then you take this end and pull it to the bottom end, like this. Now open it back up, and it should look like a kite. Then you take one corner end and put it in the middle, like this. And then you keep doing that until everything is folded in the middle. It's okay if this doesn't turn out perfectly. I'm still practicing too. Plus, I first learned about this when my babysitter taught me. So it should look like this. Then flip it over and do the same thing on the back side. Like this. And then flip it over on the back. And then fold it in half. Like this. So once you stable that like that, open it back up and put each finger inside of the fortune teller. And it should look like this. Mine's a little crumpled, but that's what it should look like. Now take your pen and draw things on it. So like draw colors. So I would draw blue, green, red, and yellow. So it should look like that. Now open it up like that, and then draw some numbers. 1, 12, 10, 9, and like that. Then do this. I'm going to write 8, 4, 2, and 11. That's then flip like this and write some fortunes. You will see a rainbow. You will get 10 quadrillion dollars. You be famous. You will have a good dream. Okay, now once you've written the fortunes, fold those back up. Fold the fortune teller back up. And there, you have your very own fortune teller. You can pop your friends, your parents, anyone you like. Have fun, guys. Make sure you do a fortune teller. See you next time on Jenna's video.